We love to automate our lives as much as possible, especially with tech, and that includes our cat's life too. His name is Grover, and we have added a lot of smart tech to both improve his life as well as our own. He has a smart litter box that makes sure it's always clean, an automatic food dispenser that ensures he gets fed consistently and on time, and now we have finally added a water fountain to improve his drinking habits. This is the Smart Monitoring Pet Water Fountain, PF1 from Petgugu. Thank you to Petgugu for sponsoring today's video and sending us the water fountain for review. Our cat really appreciates it too. A water fountain helps cats drink more water by looking like natural water sources, since flowing water is by instinct their preferred water source, since it has a high chance of being cleaner in the wild. We want to make sure that he is drinking enough water, since cats typically have issues drinking enough, which can lead to all sorts of health issues. We really hope that this water fountain will help with that. This isn't a basic water fountain though, it's actually smart as well, connecting to an app to track all sorts of things. It lets you track your cat's daily, weekly, and monthly drinking habits, full of charts and real-time data to make sure your cat is drinking enough. The intake data shown here in our app is our cat's data for the past few days that he's been using it since we got it. There's even a way for you to know which cat is drinking when, if you have more than one. This might seem like overkill, but as I mentioned before, cats usually don't drink enough, which can lead to health issues. So why not keep an eye on it and get alerted when it goes below the recommended level, so you can help improve it before it becomes a serious issue. If this still sounds like too much for you, you can simply use it without the smart function too, as it's not necessary in order to work. Just having flowing water will do a lot to help your cat's health. Speaking of the water, this water fountain features a built-in water filter. The water filter is an efficient 8-layer water filter with advanced filtration using KDF, ion exchange resin, mineral ceramic balls, and activated carbon, similarly found in typical household water purifiers. A typical filter is normally only about 2 to 3 layers of filtration, so it's great to see that this one has 8. The filter also lasts for about 2 months, which is longer than other competitors' filters, and you will get a reminder of when you need to change it if you decided to connect it to the smart app. Either way, it will remove water impurities, soften the water, and eliminate any odors, providing an overall better and healthier experience for your cat. One thing we really like about the water fountain though is just how quiet it is, at around 20 decibel. You can barely hear it unless you're right next to it, so it doesn't add any unwanted noise, both to yourself and your cat, which is a huge bonus. We were honestly a bit worried about how loud it might be before we had it set up, so it was a nice surprise. It's also very safe, with separate compartments for the water and the power supply to make sure there's no risk for electric shocks. It also automatically turns the pump off when the water level is too low. The water fountain has 2 modes that you can choose between, either continuous or energy saving. Continuous mean that the water will keep flowing, while continuously, which has been our preference when using it. But there's also the energy saving mode, where the water flows for 30 seconds and then stops for 3 minutes. It won't start again until it detects movement within 50 centimeters and will continue to flow while the cat is drinking. You can switch between the modes on the front of the product or by using the app. The water bowl itself has a waterfall design to both mimic flowing water in nature, but also to flush away any debris for fresher water. It's made out of tough BPA-free food-grade materials, which is safe for pets. It has a slight 3-degree tilt, which both helps the cat drink more and avoid it getting on their chins. All parts are easily separated for cleaning and when refilling the water. Speaking of refilling the water, the bowl has the capacity to hold 2 liters of water, or just over half a gallon. This mostly helps us, since we don't have to refill our cat's water bowl daily anymore, It's now good for several days, while staying fresh thanks to the mixture of water purifiers and the flow of the water. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we love to automate our lives as much as possible when it comes to chores to be able to focus on other things, and this has helped us with yet another daily task. We have also noticed that our cat is drinking more too, which makes us happy. Overall, it seems like a really good product, helping your pet drink more while also providing clean water. And it's quiet. The price is also reasonable, and you can typically find it on sale for around $50. Considering how much it helps both you and your cat, I'd say that's worth it. Thank you again to Petgugu for sending this to us and for sponsoring this video. They will be at CES 2026, so make sure to check out their booth if you want to know about the latest pet technology. While this video is sponsored, all of our opinions are our own, and we are genuinely excited to have this water fountain for our cat. If you want more info about it, make sure to check out the description below for a link. While you're down there, consider giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel for more videos like these. Your support means a lot to us. If you're also curious what other products we use, you can check out the website CamXPetra.com. We also post daily short-form content here on YouTube, as well as on TikTok and Instagram at CamXPetra. Until next time, bye.